Kartik month is also called as Damodar month due to one of the most beautiful Bal Leela of Sri Krishna. It is due to this Leela that this entire month we offer ghee lamps and sing Damodar Ashtakam. In 3 minutes, this Leela will show why surrender and love are needed in Krishna Bhakti. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and let's uncover the story. Once while feeding Kanhaiya, Mother Yashoda left him halfway to look into some other kitchen work, जिससे कृष्ण को बहुत गुस्सा आया. He was boiling in anger and thought that what can be more important than feeding me. Then he went to eat मक्खन on his own. तो वो मक्खन सिर्फ खाने ही नहीं लगे बल्कि मक्खन के पॉट्स को भी तोड़ने लगे. सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, he started feeding all that मक्खन to monkeys and left the home to sit in courtyard. All this act was merely to get attention from his purest devotee Mother Yashoda. जब यशोदा मैया हॉल में वापस आई तो she saw the mess Krishna had created. Seeing the mess, she also got annoyed. She thought today she should punish Krishna for all the naughty acts he does on everyday basis. Yashoda Maiya saw Kana sitting on a mortar from inside and went to catch him with a stick in hand. Seeing this, Krishna ran from there instantly to save himself from his mother. Even though it was difficult for Mother Yashoda to catch him, she somehow managed to catch hold of him. जब कृष्ण पकड़े गए तो he started putting the act of fear and bursted out crying and rubbing his eyes to emotionally trap his mother and save himself from the punishment. Seeing this melted Mother Yashoda's heart and she felt, let me just tie him up now instead of any other punishment. Mother Yashoda got a rope to tie him around the mortar outside the home. लेकिन rope छोटी हो गई and she couldn't bind him. Then she got a bigger rope and again the rope fell short to tie him. This went on many times and every time she got a rope, it fell short by 2 inches. This was really surprising to her, that all the ropes of the house are being used but still she cannot bind him. She got so tired by all this that she finally gave in to Krishna. Seeing this, little Krishna gently submitted into his mother by wrapping the rope around his waist and told her to now tie the knot on the rope so she could bind him. कृष्ण भगवान की लीला भक्ति मार्ग को दर्शाती है. Krishna's running around and not being able to catch him are simply challenges that we face in our bhakti marg and in our daily lives, which are simply to test our faith and determination. Rope falling short shows that we cannot bind ourselves to Krishna's love unless we completely surrender to him and depend on him completely. Once we have total faith in Almighty and let Him take the charge, that is when we are going to be fixed in the path of our firm bhakti. So, did you like it? Stay tuned to know what little Krishna does after being tied up in the next episode.